Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to fix Facebook connecting problems. If you're facing issues connecting to Facebook on your Android device, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your phone is connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. A strong internet connection is essential for seamless access to Facebook. Step 2. Restart Facebook. Close the Facebook application completely and reopen it. Sometimes, restarting the app can resolve temporary issues affecting connectivity. Step 3. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help refresh network connections and potentially resolve underlying connectivity problems with Facebook. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Go to the Settings menu on your Android phone, then navigate to the App Settings or Application Manager. Find Facebook in the list of installed apps and clear the app cache and data. Remember that clearing data will log you out of Facebook, so ensure you have a backup of your chats if necessary. Step 5. Update Facebook. Make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your Android phone. Outdated versions may cause connectivity issues. Check the Google Play Store for updates by searching for Facebook and clicking the Update button if available. Step 6. Check storage space. Insufficient storage on your Android phone can lead to various issues, including connection problems with Facebook. Ensure you have enough available storage for Facebook to function properly by clearing unnecessary files or apps. Step 7. Enable or disable VPN. If you're using a VPN on your device, consider enabling or disabling it to see if it affects your Facebook connectivity. VPN settings can sometimes interfere with the app's ability to connect to the server. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Facebook connecting problems on your Android device. We hope this guide helps you resolve any issues you may be experiencing with connecting to Facebook. Stay tuned for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.